So last class we uh, we discussed we uh, output determination did we configure.
Yes, we
Yes,
have
sir.
done. We have done.
Yes, sir, we have configured.
Okay. Next, so create inquiry to create inquiry quotation sales order delivery invoice. So create inquiry quotation sales order delivery invoice. Create inquiry quotation sales order delivery invoice. Okay. So let us have some documents, your own inquiry quotation sales order delivery invoice. Okay, so that you can check this data uh, in as for HANA. Okay. So create one inquiry V11 inquiry type IN. What is our sales organization?
Z100, sir.
Z
Z100.
Z100. Yeah. So only company code is ZALK. Sales organization, distribution channel Z1, division Z1, Z2.
Sir, I am doing these inquiry quotation sales order with custom documents, sir. That is YIN, YOR, like that. Does it make any difference?
No, no, you can have your own.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So mention your sales organization, distribution channel, division, or else we'll create our own inquiry type, copy IN, uh, what is our order type? ZZOR. I'll say ZZIN. Okay. Enter. Is this entry also relevant for copy control? Click on yes. Save it. Continue. Okay. Next quotation. You can have your own QT copy ZZQT. Enter. Is this entry also relevant for copy control? Click on yes. Save it. Okay. Okay. Now you can have your own V11, ZZIN, uh, Z100, Z1, Z1. Mention the customer. Uh, 70050. Mention the material. Quantity 100. You're not getting price.
Mention validity, sir. Price will determine.
It is not taking pricing date. Maintain condition records is over.
We are 00, sir.
Condition records it is not showing. Okay. So I'll maintain condition records again. PR00, week 11, customer material combination. I'll maintain some 5,000. Oh. So one more customer, 610,400. I'll maintain one more customer, 400,601. Okay. Now create inquiry. You're not getting pricing date.
So same thing we got, and I maintain this validity period. After that, the price was getting detected.
Okay.
Sir, even I faced the same issue, sir. Yesterday I created some orders, inquiry quotation orders. Manually, I was typing. It was not getting.
Go to VOV8, mention blank, proposal for pricing date. Go to VOV8, ZZIN. Okay. Proposal for pricing date, make it blank. Even I'll change it in IN also. Oh. Next, let us create inquiry. Now we will get the price. Okay. Save it. Save the inquiry. 15040. 15040.
What property we set blanks up? The property in the IN document.
Sorry?
Which property we set it in the IN document type for getting the price? What property? You said some blank,
Proposal
right? In the
proposal for pricing date.
okay.
If you scroll down, if you go to last controls, in the down you have proposal for pricing date. So we created inquiry. Now create quotation. Quotation also you can check quotation. Anyway, you have to maintain valid from valid to, or else you can make this proposal for pricing date as blank. Create quotation VA21 ZZQT, create with reference, mention the inquiry number, mention the inquiry number, click on copy, mention valid from, valid to, mention valid from, valid to, mention valid from, valid to. So go to edit incompletion log, document is incorrect. Otherwise, you will get shipping point issue. You do shipping point determination, or else check what is your shipping point. Double click on line item, go to shipping. Sometimes you will get here standard shipping point because we copy from standard plant, so that will be determined. You go to OVL2 and go to your combination and mention your shipping point in OVL2. Then you will get correct shipping point here. Next, so save the quotation. What is the quotation number? 25044. Then create order, create order, create order. ZZOR VA01 ZZOR. Create with reference. Mention the quotation number. Click on copy. Mention PO number. Mention some PO number. Go to edit incompletion log. Okay.
Sir, what question? Sir, you mentioned like for shipping point determination, we need to configure in OVL2. So after creation of quotation, if we make any changes in the configuration, will it impact on the quotation?
You can change manually. Go to F4 and change the shipping point manually because it will copy from inquiry.
Okay.
Okay. Before inquiry, if you check OVL2 and if you do that, then in inquiry also you will get your shipping point, same will copy. But here, after inquiry, if you do some change in shipping point determination and if you create quotation with reference to inquiry, it will copy the previous one only. So you can go to F4 and you can mention yours. Next time onwards, it will take.
Okay, okay, sir.
So go to
But
shipping
sir,
point. Yes.
it will impact only on the quotation document, right? If we do the F4. So what about the inquiry document?
The
For that
inquiry
also we need to
you
manual
will
change.
have means actually not required. Inquiry you can have means there is no impact of that inquiry shipping point. In inquiry shipping point is just like dummy only.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Even if you remove shipping point in inquiry, nothing will happen. you can save inquiry without any. But quotation without shipping point, we cannot save the quotation. It will show incompletion message. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So order is also complete. Uh, Save it. 194 order number. Delivery. Create delivery. Shipping point. Z100. Okay. Mention the date. Date will come out. Order number. Enter. No schedule and due for delivery. Okay. So in our calendar, Saturday, Sunday might be holiday. Press enter. Change the date, Monday date, or go to your calendar, check Saturday, Sunday working. Go to your calendar and check Saturday, Sunday as working, or else mention the future date 27. Create delivery. Go to picking Z100 100 quantity. Do PGI 840116. Invoice. We have 01. Create invoice. See, when you save invoice, you will get this message. Error in account determination. Take this. When you save invoice, you will get error message. Error in account determination. When you save invoice, you will get error message. Error in account determination. Again, to solve this, go to the T code VKOA. To solve this, go to the T code VKOA. To solve this, go to the T code VKOA. Go to the T code what? VKOA. Double click on table 4, general, which is general. Double click on table 4, which is general. Double click on table 4. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Application V. Condition type KYFI. Chart of accounts INT. Sales organization Z100. Mention the standard GL account 8 lakhs. Save it.
Sir, can you please explain what is chart of account, sir?
Chart of accounts will group all the GL accounts.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So that is what that is the purpose of chart of accounts. It will group all the GL accounts. You have different chart of accounts. A different uh, country, if you have company codes in different countries, you can create chart of account. Under that, you create GL accounts under the chart of accounts. So country wise, if you want to separate the GL accounts, then we use this field chart of accounts. So it will group the GL accounts.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, now go to VF02, click on flag. Okay. So accounting generated. Next, what is the invoice number? 940108 940108. Okay. Next, I'll create one more, but you can create a number of, I'll create one more
Sir,
V11. Yes,
sir, for this invoice, accounting document got generated, sir.
yes, yes.
Sir,
Go to
in the
chain
case,
mode VF02 accounting. This is the accounting document.
okay. Sir, for few of the invoices, we observed like accounting document not getting generated, but invoice has created. In that scenario, what we need to do, sir?
Either posting block is checked or go to analysis, revenue account analysis, and check why it is not generated. You analyze that. Okay. Or posting block. If posting block is checked, you can go to change mode and release it, or go to VFX 3T code, select all and release. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Or this is the analysis. Go to revenue accounts and do analysis. Okay. Next, VL11, ZZIN. This time I'll mention different customer. 610400. Mention the material quantity. 200. Save it. So I'll make some orders blocked for credit. What is the credit limit for this customer? 12 lakhs. I'll make this block. So create order more than uh, 300 means how much? Credit limit has been exceeded. Okay. Save it. Next, create quotation 15044. Someone practicing during the session. Don't practice, you practice later. Okay. So create quotation VA21, create with reference, click on copy, mention the valid from, save it, 25047. Next, order, so create order with reference, mention the quotation 47. You will get this message. Dynamic rate check has been exceeded. Okay. Say mention the P1 number. Save it. Okay. Dynamic rate check has been exceeded. 1,50,000. Continue. So this order is blocked for credit. Go to status. Uh, there is no block. We should get here block. Oh. Order blocked for delivery as a result of credit check. But in status, we should get here credit check not okay. Okay. So transaction not okay. If you go to header status, credit status, transaction not okay. Oh. So you cannot do delivery. This order is blocked for credit 196. This is blocked for credit. Oh. So there is no delivery and invoice for this because this is blocked for delivery. We check the status as it is when you migrate it. Okay.
Sir, this blocking was happened for the customer. I mean, for this customer, delivery cannot be made.
This order, this
Yeah,
customer's credit limit is
exceeded.
exceeded, so it
Okay, sir.
blocked this particular order.
Okay.
Next, I'll create inquiry for third customer. Save it. Create sales order. Sorry. Create quotation. Mention valid from valid to. Save it. Create order. 25048. VA01. Create with reference. Create delivery. Do PGA. Create invoice. Oh. So what is the number? 15046. Uh, Quotation 25048. Sales order 197. Delivery 840118. 940110. Okay, over. So we have this data. You can create a number of orders. Now go and check FD32. FD32 70050 Z100. Go to status view. You have receivables 5 lakhs updated. Okay. So in credit management, here for this customer, we have receivables 5 lakhs updated. Next customer 610400. It is blocked for credit, so it will not update. If order is blocked for credit, It will not update into credit management. Here 0, so there is no 400601. 11 lakhs is updated as it is because we created invoice. Accounting document is also generated, so it updates in receivables. So this is the practice data. If you want to practice total SD, you can do here. There is no such restriction. Whatever you want to practice, you can practice. But this is the minimum data which is required for credit management. So if you want to practice SD again, total whatever you did, uh, so you can practice everything here. There is no such restrictions. Okay. But minimum data. This data is required. Now, so this is all practice related in your system. Now we'll see when we start migration project what we do. So SM12, you don't have authorization for SM12. You can do like this: select all, delete. SM12 T code, you don't have authorization.
No, sir, we got in between, sir.
Sorry?
We got, I think, in between.
You got this SM12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If someone is asking SM12,
First,
please check
in
that.
the initial date, it was not there, but after that, we got.
Okay. So SM12, it is working present. So go to SM12, remove username, press enter, select all and delete. Okay. So now, so we go to this uh, migration project, migration project in existing ACC system. Now we have this system ready. Now we have to start migration project. So in migration project, first is pre-migration activities, pre-migration activities. In migration project, first is pre-migration activities. In migration project, first is pre-migration activities. Okay. Now here, so we should have this Excel. We prepare this Excel. We need to collect some data from existing ECC system. We need to collect some data from existing ECC system. So here mention uh, total number of customers. Oh, you have to mention this total number of customers. Next, uh, customer account group. We call shortcut CAG. Customer account group. Customer account group. Uh, KNA1 means number of customers. Number of customers. Here we say KNA1. So here also you can say total number of customers KNA1. KNA1 means you can take total number of customers. KNA1 means here we should collect first initially total number of customers in system. Then customer account group, what are the account groups you have, and number of customers in that account group. Then BUT 000, CVI underscore link, then difference. So whatever I mentioned in yellow color, that we have to collect this. Whatever is in green color, that we do later. Next here, customer account group, number interval. What is the number interval for this? From number to number, external, external check or uncheck. Okay. So up to this yellow color, we have to collect it now. So whatever is in green color, that we have to do it later. Okay. BP group, number interval, from number to number, external. So here first we have to collect this information, number of customers, first thing. Okay, take this. This is Excel format we use. Take this format, Excel format.
Sir, this column from to refers to which, sir? For
From number to number. Uh, when you define customer number ranges, you will have from number to number.
okay, and what is this, sir? External column refers.
External checkbox we have in number ranges. If you want external number, we check external.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
So what do you mean by I column NI?
Number interval,
Number interval.
number range, number interval. We'll see that. Just take this. So first thing we collect, uh, we get the total number of customers. Get the total number of customers. In existing ECC system and mention that number here. Okay. So how to get this? From tables only. So make a note.
Weakest, sir.
Go to SC16H. Go to SC16H. Mention the table KNA1. Mention the table KNA1. Go to SC16H. You have to take this also. Go to SC16H, mention the table KNA1 and click on number of customers. Click on number of customers. Okay. So what is the total number of customers in this system? 836. Okay. Mention that figure here in Excel. 836.
Sir, is it the customers created a total count by all users?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
So why users? Why you are asking about users here? So this is real time what we do
Yeah, yes.
when we receive. See, we are trying to. Are you who is asking this question? Users. What we are trying to do, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
So we are doing migration when we get migration project in real time. So what we do, first activity is we prepare this Excel. Then we try to collect one by one information. Total number of customers in this system. Okay. Now here, when you practice, you can mention your account, your number of customers. But in real time, we have to collect total number of customers. Okay. 836 in our system. So how to get this? Go to SC16H, mention the table and execute. Sorry, mention the table and click on number of customers 836. But in here, if anyone create again, this number will change. Just I'm taking present number just to show you. Okay, 836. So how to get this? Go to the T code SC16H and mention the table KNA1 and click on number of customers. Go to get the total number of customers in existing ECC system. This is the first activity. So go to the T code SC16H and mention the table KNA1 and click on number of customers. Next, second activity, we should get this each account group, how many customers, each account group, how many customers, each account group, how many customers. So how to get this? So here this I'll make it text. The customer account group, you make it text. Here also, customer account group, make it text, format cells. Because if account group is 0001, it will take one here. Uh, so to get exact account group, make this cells as text. Customer account group, CAG, CAG. So now we should get this, get the total number of account groups, get the total number, get the total, get the total number, or get the account groups which are in use, and the number of customers in each account group. Take this, get the account groups which are in use and the number of customers in each account group. Get the number of get the account groups which are in use and the number of customers in each account group. So how to get this information? See here, we created one account group. We have an account group in system, but with that we did not create any customer, so we don't require that account group here. If I go to uh, OVT0 account groups, suppose we find some account groups 0100 0012 011. We don't have any customers with that account group. We don't require this account groups if you don't use that. In this list, we don't require the account groups uh, which we did not create customers. So we don't depend on this OVT0. Okay. So we want to get the account groups which are in use. That means for which for that account group we already created customer. Even if you create one customer also with that account group, we require that here. So how to get this here? I'll just show you. Uh, Go to SC16H. Go to SC16H. Mention the table KNA1. Go to SC16H. Mention the table KNA1. Scroll down. Scroll down. This is account group. Go to account group field. Go to account group field. Go to account group field. Check group. Check group. Check group. We have to check this group
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not getting where need to check.
here in front of account group. This is account group. In front of account group, we have to check this group.
Okay, sir.
I'm highlighting this. So in front of account group field, you have to check this. This is group field. Okay. So go to account group field and you have to check this group and execute and execute. Okay. You will get all the account groups which are in use and also number of customers in that account group. Okay. So you will get all how many entries we have, some 139 entries. Okay. So if you have more than 500 entries, then here you increase the maximum number of hits. Otherwise, if you have some 600 account groups and if maximum number of hits is 500, then it will show only 500. Let us cross check this maximum number of hits and number of hits. So in our case, 139. Okay. So in real time, you will not have these many account groups. This is practice system, so you will have all this. Okay. So in real time, you will not have these many account groups. Now here, so select all. This is select all symbol. Select all. Click on this. Select all. Select all. Control C. Select all. Control C. Select all. Control C. And mention here Control V in Excel. Okay. You will get all the account groups. But before that, customer account group field, make it text format. Okay. You will get all the entries here. 139 entries. You can cross check here below. 139 entries. Okay. Now you will get each account group, how many customers. If you sum this, then it should match with that number of customers, 836 something. Okay.
So only which the account which
836.
created the customer should copy, sir, which
Uh,
we can.
Only the account groups for which you create customer, only that we will get it here. Suppose in OVT0, we have some account groups. There are so many account groups in OVT0. We don't require all for which you did not create customer. So only the account groups for which you create customers, only we require that here in this list. So how to get this? So get the account groups which are in use and the number of customers in each account group. So go to SC16H, go to the T code SC16H. and mention the table KNA1 and go to account group field and check grouping and execute. So go to the T code SC16H and mention the table KNA1 and go to account group field and check grouping and execute. And check grouping and execute. Check grouping and execute. So I'll show you again. Uh, Go to SC16H, mention the table KNA1, and here scroll down. Just go down, scroll down. You will get account group field here. Just scroll down. See here, account group field. In front of account group, you have to check this group in front. This is the group field. So here we have to check group only for account group in front of account group. You have to check like this. Okay. So check this group only for account group field.
Sir, you were mentioning some transaction code OVT0. What is it, sir?
You are from SD or you are
Oh, SD only, sir.
that is define account groups OVT0
Okay, sir.
account groups T code. Okay. So check group account group in front of account group. You have to check this group and execute. Check account group and execute. Okay. Here you will get all the account groups, means which are in use, and the number of customers in that account group. Okay. We should have this information. So copy, select all. If you click on here, it will select all. Then Control C, Control C, and mention it here in your Excel. Here, Control V. So you will get total data here. Okay. Next, so this is the second data we require. Yeah, any doubt till now?
Sir, in our case, whether we'll take our own account group or we'll take the all.
First practice with all, then you prepare one more Excel, then you take yours.
Okay, okay,
First
okay,
practice taking all the data, just you
okay,
will have some hands-on this. After that, you take only your account groups. Uh, I'll show you that also. But
okay.
initially, take practice how to get the data. Okay. This customer account group, you convert into text customer account group. Otherwise, you will not get correct data here. Customer CAG here also.
Sir, in Kn even a table, I could not able to see the group field in my screen.
You're going to which T code?
SC16N.
H.
Okay, SC16H. Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the yeah.
Sir, what does H represent, sir?
These are the T codes. We
Okay.
have different T codes to see the table data, SC16N, SC16H. We have other T codes also. So here we have some extra functionality SC16H to group the account groups. Means to get the data like this. Okay. Next, now we have to third is we have to get this data, customer account groups and its number interval. So how to get this data, customer account group and number interval? So customer account group and number range, which table? One second. Go to
T0
OVT0,
double seven. T0 double 7. Is it correct?
press F1, technical information. Okay. T077D. T077D. T077D only. T077D. T077D. See here, go to edit, selection options, go to edit, selection options, go to edit, selection options, deselect all, Go to edit selection options, deselect all. Okay. Select only account group, scroll down, number range, here is number range. Select only account group field and number range output. Select output only for account group, otherwise you will get all the data not required. Okay. Select account group, number range, copy all the account groups. Let me copy this. Copy all the account groups which we collected. Okay. 139 account groups. Control C, copy from Excel, and you paste it here. This is upload from clipboard option. Click on this option. Okay. So click on this option. It will copy all the account groups. Okay. And then execute clock symbol. Execute. Okay. And finally execute here. I'll show you once again. And finally execute here. You will get all the account groups, our account groups which are in use. And what is the number range for that? Okay. You will get all the account groups along with the number range. We copy from here and we paste it here. Okay. So number range field also make it text. Format cells. Number range also make it text. Not only because number range also 01 means here it will take 1. So make this text format, customer account group number range both. Okay. Now I'll show you once again. What is the T code? SC16H table T077D. Then first go to edit, selection options, deselect all. Go to edit, selection options, deselect all. Go to edit, selection options, deselect all. Okay. Then this field output. So you check output only for account group and number range. So check output, number range also check output. Okay. So I want to see only these two. Check output for account group and number range. Now in account group, click on this more, click on this more, click on this more. Click on this more. Okay. Now you copy all the account groups which you already taken this in Excel. So copy all the account groups which you already taken in Excel. Control C. Okay. And here click on this upload from clipboard, this symbol. here. Click on this symbol, click on this. Okay. Then execute and execute again. Okay, here select all, Control C, select all, Control C, and Control V. Okay, so you will get all this. Just cross check once how many entries. It should match with the account groups. Okay, 139 entries. Okay, fine. So this is the third data which we should collect. What is that? Get the account groups which are in use and its number range or number interval or number range, whatever you call. Here it is NR number range. Okay. You can call number range or number interval. Okay. Get the account groups which are in use and its number range. So go to the T code SC16H and mention the table KNA1, sorry, T0, T077D, and check output only for account group and number range. Check output only for account group and number range. And go to account group, more options, and uh, upload the account groups, upload the account group list, and execute. Okay. So you will get this data. This is the third data which we require from the existing system. Account groups and its number range. Account group and its number range. Okay, next. Fourth one. So we got this data. Now fourth one, we should get this for each number, what is from number to number and external checked or unchecked. For each number range, what is from number to number and external checked or unchecked. So how to get this? Each number range, what is from number to number, external check or uncheck.
Table NRIV.
NRIV, table is NRIV. Go to SC16H, table NRIV. Okay. Mention the object name, debitor, table NRIV. Mention the object name, debitor. Mention the object name, debitor. Deselect all. Check number range. Check number range output. Uh, from number to number. From number to number. Number status means current number. Number status also you take. External. But you have to mention here debitor. Okay. So deselect all and check only number range. From number to number, number status, external. Okay. So go to number range. Uh, anyway, we discuss this tomorrow in system. Go to just I'm showing. Go to number range, more options. Here you copy this, whatever the number range is. Paste it here. Okay, execute. Now finally execute. You will get this. Okay. So all the number ranges you will get from number to number, what is the current number, external check or uncheck. If it is check, you will get X here. Okay. Some places you have X. That means external is checked like that. So this is how we get, but I'll give the notes. Tomorrow we'll see this. We will get this information again. So tomorrow we'll continue this.
Sorry,
So, what is the
sir.
difference between the Excel group, two different account groups and number ranges?
Sorry, here.
Same in Excel. In Excel, sir. These account groups are the same, sir.
Same. But here we are taking number of customers in each account group this side. For the same
Here,
account group here we are taking
number.
number. This is number of customers here this side. Here for that account group, what is the number range?
Okay, sir.
Sir, in
Okay.
table, which are the output we need to check, sir? Once again, can you tell?
This latest one we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
You check number range from number
Okay.
to number, uh,
And
state current status and
External.
external. Yes. Okay.
Sir, in
You should get
SE16H, what is the use of the top two fields? We don't see those in SE16N.
number of it, sir.
No, sir. If you go one step back, You will see that database connection, and there is inner joint something, outer joint definition.
There is no options here. This I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue this. Tomorrow I'll show you this later. Last with this one NRIV. Okay. Then we start the BP configurations based on this information. Uh, if you have this data, then only we can start the next BP related or CVA related configurations.